What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. Now, there is something about Christmas time that I just love so much. It's something about putting up the Christmas tree, the Christmas music, the weather. It just really puts me in my happy place. Now, I've only had my channel for about 7 months now, right? And this is me coming up on my first holiday on YouTube. So I thought it would only be right for me to do Vlogmas. Now, just in case if some of you guys don't know what Vlogmas is, I'm going to break it down. Now, I'm going to participate, but I may not do your traditional style Vlogmas because I'm not a vlogger, okay? So I'm not a vlogger. I don't really vlog. I'm a photographer. But I figured since my channel is not Ryan Troy Photography, it's not Ryan Troy Take Photos, it's not Ryan Troy the camera guy, it's just Ryan Troy. So I figured when I do Vlogmas, I'm going too fast. Vlogmas is people that like to, Vlogmas is people with channels that post every single day leading up until Christmas. Now I'm a little bit cold. Well, I have a cold. I'm not cold. I'm actually I'm pretty good. This is like ASMR. And okay, my bad. Back to the video. So people that post every day leading up until Christmas, and it's usually a vlog. Like I mentioned earlier, it's not going to be a vlog. I want to bring you guys a little bit onto my personal side. I just want to grab you right there and be like, come on over here and get a little personal with you, bring you to my personal side, let you know about how I do things just in my regular day life. Now, it's going to be really important that I have your help because I need you to help me with the type of videos I should make. Now, I am going to be an open book for you, okay? So you get to choose the type of videos and the type of content that I create throughout this whole time, and I'm going to try to post every single day. Now, I know a lot of you guys out there that love hitting the unsubscribe button when you come across my video that either isn't interesting to you or whatever. Listen, you're about to get hit with a lot of uninteresting videos. Well, depending on who you are. I mean, if you like me, you're gonna be interested. If you don't like me, if you don't, why are you here? Okay, why are you here? Anyway, back to Vlogmas, back to the holiday season. So I'm gonna depend on a lot of you guys to help me create videos for this month. All right. Now, one thing I want to do on my next one is I want to do a Q&A. So in this video comment section below, right down there, I want you to go ahead on and give me some questions, and on my next one tomorrow I will answer them. Now make sure you go a little bit early because like I said, I'm filming this daily. I don't want to already record the video and then you get questions out after that. So as soon as you see this video, go ahead on, comment down below so that way I can do some commenting or answering on the next video. Now, what do you think about my reindeer suit? Let me show you the head part, okay? Oh, ha, ha, ha. I think I'm gonna do the rest of the video like this. So what I do have coming up is I have a few talks. It's one, and I don't want to put his name out there yet because I don't know if he's gonna cancel on me, and if he cancels on me, then I don't need y'all blowing up his comment section asking him why he decided to do that. So it seems like it's in the books. Low-key, my forehead is starting to sweat now because I didn't really think that this would be this hot, but hey, we're here now. So I have a couple of reviews that I want to do on essential things that I use, photography related and not photography related, things that you may be interested on buying this holiday season. And one of them, it's going to be the first thing I review. Oh my God. It is a game changer, guys. So I may do that not tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow. Let's see. Okay. And I'll keep you updated on the talk. This is Vlogmas. This is my introduction to Vlogmas. I really hope that you guys enjoy this. And if you don't enjoy this, bear with me, okay? I promise you, I'm going to have things on the channel that you press subscribe for in the first place, all right? Merry Christmas. Well, it's not Christmas yet, but happy holidays. Peace.